Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I made a video this morning about making a border on this where it's going to go inside there. And one of my viewers, and I knew this, I do it all the time, I just wasn't thinking. Grab that, I've got it grouped together now, so ungroup it. And as soon as you do that, you see the border tool comes up. Make a border and nudge it out of the way. You could go immediately to the effects and contour to the outside, 0.25, to the outside with rounded corners. And you're gonna get this, and see Corel's having to work. And then go up to object and break the contour apart. And then grab your contour and now go to the inside, 0.2. Break that contour apart. And then take that contour and move it over, and you have not a perfect, and see, that's maybe why I was going to make them video, because this is not good. It does follow the line better, but like you can see, it's going in the wrench. But that can be fixed. Let's move it to the center of the page. Wow, I'm in the center of the page. Let's nudge it down. Let's group this together. We don't need to mess with it anymore. So it's in the center of the page. But let's nudge this down and out. Let's put, this is P, put it in the center of the page. Take a 2-point line and hit P. Now on everything on one side of the page, as a matter of fact, we don't need that line right now. Take your smoothing tool if you have X7 or above and smooth this out. And really just here on the wrenches. I like the feather, part, but it's going in on the wrenches. It might be a little bit awkward. Just smooth it out just a little bit. Now we can bring in our 2-point line, holding down the control button so you get perpendicular. And then you can do one of two things. You can break this off, or you can use the Smart Fill tool. Nudge the Smart tool down. I normally do it with cutting everything. Now put it back. Left click, right click, Control D and make a duplicate while holding down the control button. Put it over there, take that line, this virtue segment delete key, fill it back in, and what that does is sealing it all up. And now let's take our broken parts apart. Let's nudge this back in the center and nudge this. Now you have to me, a more symmetrical, I like the tapering on the feathers, but it was going in too far here. But this way it's equal on both sides. And I could have done, well, that's pretty good because it meets kind of like right in the middle. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.